Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ZUNAICE wireless trailer lights, rechargeable magnetic LED trailer light with adjustable bracket, portable tow lights kit. When it comes to safe towing, reliable lighting is crucial, and the magnetic wireless trailer lights offer a powerful, convenient, and weather-resistant solution designed for both professional and recreational use. Engineered with advanced technology and robust construction, this lighting kit ensures stable performance and clear visibility in any situation. One of the standout features of this lighting system is its 2.4 GHz stable signal transmission, capable of maintaining a strong connection up to 100 feet or 30.5 meters. This makes it ideal for long trailers and multiple types of towing vehicles. Whether you're hauling a utility trailer, camper, boat, or RV, these lights provide reliable tail, brake, and turn signal functions without messy wiring or complicated installations. The adjustable magnetic mount is another highlight. Each light features a rubber-coated magnet and suction cup base, allowing it to securely attach to metal surfaces such as truck rears or rooftops. It has been tested for stability at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, ensuring the lights stay firmly in place even during travel. For trailers with non-magnetic surfaces like aluminum or wood, the kit includes iron plates and screws to ensure easy and secure attachment. With ceramic-based LED technology, these lights offer high brightness with low energy consumption, paired with efficient heat dissipation for longer battery life. The lights are rechargeable via a USB-C port, which provides faster charging and a secure connection. A full charge delivers up to 9 hours of continuous use, making them perfect for long hauls or nighttime towing. Durability is also a key strength. Constructed with impact-resistant ABS plastic and rated IP67 waterproof, these trailer lights withstand harsh conditions like rain, snow, dirt, and sand. They operate in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance year-round. Finally, with their 4-pin to 7-pin wireless transmitter, the lights are compatible with a wide range of vehicles including trailers, trucks, tractors, lorries, campers, RVs, boats, and more. Whether for work, travel, or recreation, the magnetic wireless trailer lights are a smart, flexible, and durable lighting solution that eliminates wiring hassles while maximizing safety on the road. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.